Welcome to the Morning Market Pulse, your daily dose of news and impact. Let's dive into today's key highlights. Market Focus Gift Nifty is up by 160 points, or 0.6%. A big change kicks in today. Lot sizes for both Nifty and Bank Nifty are set to increase in the F&O segment. Foreign institutional investors were strong buyers yesterday, with net inflows of over 8,000 crore rupees. Asian, European, and U.S. markets all gained on hopes of progress in trade talks and potential rate cuts. Back home, earnings are pouring in. Alphabet posted strong results, as did Loris Labs, Elecon Engineering, Tech Mahindra, Axis Bank, and Cyient. On the flip side, Hull, Nestle, and L&T Technology Services reported weaker-than-expected numbers. Positive sentiment surrounds IDFC First Bank, Elecon Engineering, and Samhi Hotels. Big names like Reliance, Maruti, and Shriram Finance will report today. Global markets and outlook: Gale, Tata Steel, Dr. Reddy's, and Reliance gained between 1 to 2% in overseas trading. The market is likely to open strong, supported by ongoing global optimism, FII buying, and talk of a potential India-US trade deal. The U.S. Treasury Secretary hinted that India could be the first to sign this new agreement. FIIs have now been net buyers for 7 straight sessions, the longest streak since December 2023, injecting nearly 30,000 crore rupees into the market. Add in solid rollover data for the May series and hopes of a Fed rate cut, and we're seeing a strong foundation for momentum. Sector-wise, watch banks are in focus, with policymakers hinting at lowering borrowing costs to support domestic demand. Metals could shine too, riding on expectations of a U.S.-China trade deal and rising global metal prices. IT stocks remain upbeat, with strong earnings from HCL Tech and Persistent. And keep an eye on mid and small cap stocks. Positive results could spark a sharp rebound after recent underperformance. Global markets snapshot: Asian shares jumped up to 2% on signs of trade progress and dovish signals from the U.S. Fed. South Korea's market rose 1%. In the U.S., the Nasdaq gained around 2%, while the Dow rose 1.2%, bolstered by Alphabet's stellar numbers. Europe bounced back too, with indices in the UK, Germany, and France rising 0.5%. Commodities check gold surged 1.5% and is holding steady near $3,360 per ounce. Brent crude is nearing $67 a barrel as OPEC Plus signals potential production adjustments amid internal disagreements. That's all for now. Keep your eyes on earnings and global cues. Stay informed and trade smart.